He is walking. He is running. He is eating. He is sleeping. He is swimming. He is laughing. He is washing. He is wiping. He is going. He is writing. He is reading. He is crying. He is dancing. He is cooking. She is singing. I am driving. We are talking. I am doing painting. I am cleaning. He is writing. They are playing. He is climbing. I am watching. I am shopping. They are cooking. I am washing. I am drinking. She is baking. He is throwing. He is kicking. They are jumping. They are catching. She is folding. I am ironing. I am mowing. I am trimming. I am planting. I am watering. He is running. They are singing.